Galaxy Ace. So I'm just going to install some custom ROMs on this, and I'm downloading some right now. I have got like Lollycat Stable, Clockwork Mod, TouchWiz Resurrected, and CyanogenMod 9. So I'm just going to, yeah. Also, I was eating cake. Anyway, yeah, focus. Thank you. I'm gonna focus on the computer now. So we're good. So I have the thing in platform tools and Galaxy Ace. These are all the ROMs I have downloaded. So let me just get the phone ready. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to like transfer stuff over to the SD card. Give me a second. Now I'm currently transferring the things over to the SD card now. So basically, I'm going to install TouchWiz Resurrected, oh wait, I'm going to do the order first. I'm first going to install CyanogenMod. I'll also make sure to do an Android backup, because if I don't, I lose that. So basically, I'm going to be installing I keep saying it as Cyanogen, but just bear with me. I'm going to use CyanogenMod. Then I go with TouchWiz Resurrected, then Lollycat, then a stock firmware restoration. So give me a sec while I prepare the phone. So I have the phone in the recovery. Now we just supply from SD card. Oh yeah, I have to press the home button. So first of all, I'm gonna flash Clockwork Mod. Yes, look at that. We have Clockwork Mod. Anyway, I'm gonna okay, anyway, we back up. Just give me a second. So there's an error, but we backed up the phone. Yippee. Anyway, so if you wonder what the Windows Live Messenger thing, it's escargots, or however you say it. Escargots is like an Windows Live Messenger server revival. You can add me on svideo at escargot.chat. Let's just continue. So now I'm gonna exit. Nope, touch doesn't work. I'm gonna reboot system. I'll go back to recovery soon. I just wanna see the stock firmware, if it's okay or not. I'm not going to cut your nostalgia, by the way. God damn it, my hand jiggling is here. My hand shaking is here. I love it. I'm gonna switch cams real quick. Okay, way better. So there's still stock firmware. Nice. I'll be back. Okay, that's strange. The recovery is still bad. I'm gonna flash this real quick. I think it's temporary or something. Because when I rebooted the system, okay, maybe it's something else, but I'm not gonna wipe data, or I'm gonna wipe data and factory reset. There you go. So first, we're gonna choose zip from SD. We're gonna so first of all, we're going to go with CyanogenMod. This will take long, so I'll just shut down the video. Alright, we have the thing. Also, sorry if my voice sounds scuffed. I'm eating cake right now. hope I didn't break the phone. I could always go back, but... Something's wrong. Give me a second. The phone is not booting up, it's stuck in this screen. It's just stuck. That doesn't mean interruption. 1 second, I'll be back. I'm back. I'm gonna get this to recovery real quick, so I'm just gonna hang the phone right here. So if I made the screen black a lot, I can't hold the camera, and I forgot that the thing existed. Like, I'm using like an bro, come on. This will take some time. I'm using a cup because I forgot that existed. I don't know why. Also, for some reason, the, touch was resurrected, didn't install. Now it's putting the CyanogenMod. I mean, I love CyanogenMod. It's like my first time trying that. And yeah. I moved the back case. Wait. Oh, there it is. I can't lose a micro SD port. That's too important. Okay, we're in clockwork. So I'm gonna hold the phone. So now I backed that up. So we're now going to Lollycat Stable 2. Now I'm gonna hold the phone like that, and I'm just gonna put the thing back on the cup. Oh yeah, I forgot Lollycat was corrupted. Okay, the only things that worked is CyanogenMod. Stupid. Anyway, now we're going to wait. What was the first one again? This. I'll just see. I'm gonna restore the backup. No. Oh yeah, we're going to restore stock firmware. So let's just do it. Oh wait, MD4 mismatch. What do you mean? Oh, that was CyanogenMod. I think this is the correct one. Oh yeah, it is. I'm gonna put the phone. Yep, there you go. The store's finished. Hey, what am I clicking, bro? I'm gonna put the back case real quick. Along with the micro SD slot. There you go. Also, I was wrong. This has 187 megabytes of storage according to CyanogenMod. Or Cyanogen, however. So you're saying I can't go back to stock? Well, great! We have CyanogenMod. At least it's better than gingerbread or gingerbread. Dude, whenever I try to pronounce gingerbread, it keeps coming out as gingerbread. My Turkish kicked in. I'm sorry. Well, it's CyanogenMod at least. It's up the version. Well, and this taking too long. Anyway, that's that. Okay. Anyway, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.